post-processing large WHS 4250 and WHS 4000 files. As you can see, this is my WHS host, and now I'm going to select a file. So I'm going to go to Tools and then Post-Processing, and I'm going to grab a Tag ID file filter. Now I've made this file filter, but I'll bring it over here to show you. This is all the tags that are out in the field at the moment that we downloaded that bin. So there's quite a few. Now I did enter this by hand, but you can transfer it into a notepad from Excel and utilize that. But you just have to make sure that at the end of each line here is a carriage return or the enter key, which I've made sure of. And now all you do is File, Save As. Make sure that it says All Files, because you want to be able to use a filter at the end of it. And this is test.filter, FLT, and then I'll just save it. I've already made it, so I'll just replace it. Okay, once you've made your filter file, then you can close this, and then you're going to select your data by browsing. I've kept mine into WHS host 64 data file, so I'm going to look at all data, and I've got a very large file here, about 350 megabytes. You can get them all the way up to 2 gigs. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to press Open. And now the output is going to be in that same area, and it's going to have the same JST number, any other identifying marks that you have to have, and it's going to have filter. So now I'm going to browse for that filter, which I had just created, and it's a test filter. And then I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to press go. It's going to recreate your JST file, but filtered with only the available transmitters that you had deployed. Now I'm going to bring this over here. This is the old filter and the new. Here's the original 350 megabyte highlighted in the middle there, and now this is filtered. It's only 866 kilobytes, less than a megabyte, and easily manipulated with your Excel or any other spreadsheet program.